Alright, hello accountants. In this next assignment we're looking at Unit 9, Section 6 at Notes Payable and Receivable. And what we're doing here is we are going to look at interest and how much interest will be added to our principal amounts given our interest rates. So what we are working with is the principal amount is the amount that we initially started with. So maybe we made a payment of, the initial amount was $4,000, and then over a term of 60 days, there is 11.5% interest. So then we have to add that interest to our principal amount to find the maturity value of that amount. So I have the equations down here for you. So to calculate our interest, we need to be taking our principal amount times the interest rate times the amount of time. And whenever we're doing the amount of time, we need to do, we're going to look at over a period of a year. So we're going to put whatever our days are, they're going to be over 365 days of the year. So calculating our interest, we're looking at, let's do a little formula here. We're taking our principal times our rate times our time, which is going to be 60 over 365, and that gives us $75.62. So that's how much interest will be added to our principal then, and that gives us our maturity value. So our maturity value, like it shows down here, our principal plus our interest, and so after 60 days, this will be the maturity value amount of that notes payable or notes receivable. Okay, so calculate the interest for the rest of these and add it to the principal to get your maturity value for all of those. And then on part 2, we are finding the maturity date. So this can get kind of tricky if you don't know how many days are in the month, so I definitely suggest you might want to pull out a calendar, and basically all you do is you're finding the date of the maturity date, so when the term is over. So you're looking at January 4th, and then the term is 30 days, so you need to tell me what are 30 days from January 4th, and then that's our maturity date. Okay, so maybe if you need to get out a calendar and just start counting days, that might be the best way to do it. Or you could subtract out how many days are left of January from your 30 days and add what's left over into February to get your date. Read through your texts. They have some other suggestions for you on how to calculate that, but I think you can kind of handle this part on your own. So that is part 1 and 2 of this assignment, Notes Payable and Notes Receivable. Let me know if you have any questions.